In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive hover button in Figma. Let's launch the Figma app. In the top right menu, click on Design. From the bottom menu, click on the Text option and create a text box. Now type the text you want to show as the button. Select the text and increase the size a little. Now, right-click on the text box. In the pop-up menu, click on Add Auto Layout. Now, resize the text box as you like. Don't worry, however you resize the box, the text will stay in the middle and centered. In the right side menu, scroll down and click on Stroke. Change the stroke according to your needs or preferences. Click on Corner Radius and increase it to 30. This will make the shape more like a button. Now, select the button frame and duplicate it by pressing Alt and dragging it. While selecting the second frame, in the right side menu, click on Fill. Change the fill according to your preference. After changing the fill, click on the Gradient option. Now reposition the gradient points horizontally. Double-click on the text and change the fill to white. This will create a nice contrast in the button. Now select both frames. In the top right corner, click on the Component drop-down. In the drop-down menu, click on Create Component Set. By doing this, you can reuse it in the future in other designs. In the top right corner, click on Prototype. Now, click on the first frame. At the bottom center of the first frame, you will see a little circle. Drag the circle to the second frame and connect them. After connecting, a pop-up should appear automatically. In the pop-up, click on the Trigger option and change it to While Hovering. Now, click on the Animate option and select Smart Animate. In the bottom menu, click on the Frame option and create a frame in the canvas. In the left side menu, click on Assets. In this menu, click on Components in this file. Here you can see the component we just created. Drag this component into the frame we created. Now, select the new frame and run the prototype. Here you can see that if I hover the cursor over the button, it interacts with the cursor. By following these steps, you can create an interactive hover button easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.